The recent murder of Arshad Sharif is obviously a very sad incident which happened in Kenya, and I spoke to the President of Kenya myself, and also our Foreign Office Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto was in coordination with Kenyan authorities, and I spoke to other agencies in Pakistan for speedy action in this behalf, and also return of his body back to Pakistan. I have written a letter to the Chief Justice of Supreme Court of Pakistan to constitute a commission, and I hope some action will be taken in this behalf.